Kohli has been a breath of fresh air for me after since the second half of last season.
Livingston ka backup Jacob Ethel. Now I don't know if you are there in that position to take a risk with somebody like a Liam Livingstone who still you know what to expect.
Next half में वो 4 घर पे खेलने वाले हैं. There's a lot that's been made of कि यार ये तो घर पे खेल नहीं पा रहे. It is RCB's time. They've done well so far. 4 wins in 6 games. And quite a few of them did believe कि यार ठीक है, this seems to be an interesting side. Bowling शायद अच्छी है, शायद अच्छी नहीं है. बहुत polarizing था. So उमेश आपसे start करते हैं. What do you think have you made of RCB's performances so far and what's worked for them?
I like this mind.
Of course RCB है तो हम बैटिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. नहीं, इस बार हम बॉलिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. मतलब RCB मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल पेस यूनिट, मतलब इट शुड बी म्यूजिक टू द ईयर्स ऑफ ऑल आरसीबी सपोर्टर्स कि आरसीबी 10 टीमों में सबसे इकोनॉमिकल पेस अटैक है. पावर प्ले में they are the most economical bowling unit. Up front, Bhuvi has been up top. He's been in top notch form. सबसे कम एज अ bowling unit छक्के खाने वाली टीम है ये, which is again should be music to all RCB fans कि भाई ये वो टीम है जो सिक्सेस नहीं खा रही है या बाकियों के कंपैरिजन में कम खा रही है. इसके अलावा बैटिंग यूनिट हैज बीन वेरी सॉलिड. They're averaging second highest when it comes to batting average after GT, which is not a very crucial parameter, but still it's a good to have. अगर आप सिक्सेस की बात करोगे तो RCB are +13 कि 13 छक्के ज्यादा मारे हैं वर्सेस जितने खाए, which is the second best after LSG. Again a big positive. Net players have chipped in individually. अगर मैं बात करूं बैटिंग यूनिट की, मैं ऊपर से अगर आप देखोगे तो Salt has chipped in whenever is needed. Kohli has been a breath of fresh air for me after since the second half of last season, when he's realized कि भाई he can let go a bit and be more attacking, and he's adopted this approach. उसके अलावा अगर आप नीचे भी देखोगे तो Tim David has done a lot more for RCB than he ever could for MI, which has been very good for them. Bowling unit में यार Bhuvi, Hazelwood, I know Hazelwood fans would be a little disappointed with that over against to KL Rahul, but apart from that he's been top. Krunal has been decent as well, and Yash Dayal bhai, matlab too good to watch. Even Suyash Sharma has done his bit whenever needed. So all in all, quite a few positives for RCB.
चलो भाई, मतलब बहुत ऐसा सुनने को नहीं मिलता कि आरसीबी के लिए बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज मी एज एन आरसीबी फैन स्ट्रिक्टली स्टिकिंग टू दैट. बट निखिल भाई, थोड़ी बहुत ऐसी भी चीजें जो हम सीजन के पहले भी बात कर रहे थे कि यार ये शायद थोड़ा वीक है, इस पे शायद ऑपोजिशन फोकस करके उन्हें एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट हैव बीन दोस वीकनेसेस सो फार फॉर आरसीबी?
And I think they've still done well to cover for those weaknesses in quite a few of their games, whether it is Krunal Pandya taking those crucial wickets against KKR in the middle overs, because I think that was one of our key apprehensions. How will they go in the middle overs? And they need to have a very good power play. So I think they have ticked that first box very often to not let that middle overs trouble them. दो जो losses हुए हैं, दोनों unfortunately घर पे हुए हैं, and they've happened because I personally feel they haven't read the conditions well, which is surprising to say for so many teams, but it is something that's there. एक game में तो you were blown away. In terms of plenty of help for GT there, so which meant they set the game up rightly, and then in the chase they knew that RCB को अगर नए बॉल से विकेट नहीं दिया तो जो मिडिल ओवर्स के बॉलिंग है वहां पे you cannot get out to them and still chase the target well. So I think that is one game which felt कि हाँ, this is the way to beat them, but it hasn't happened so far because others game में RCB have done exceedingly well, which is why it reflects in the numbers. So I think that is the only area where I feel it is starkly not worked. दूसरा game जहाँ पे it hasn't worked out is because they were, I wouldn't say fooled, but it was Phil Salt's brilliance. कि कभी-कभी you see somebody bat the way that he did and you feel, हाँ, I will bat like this, because it happened against RR also. But the good thing was they were chasing. So when you are batting first and you see somebody take off and score 40 odd in 10-12 balls, you feel, must attack bro, let me also go, and sometimes you could lose your way. So that is the only thing that I feel they should do is don't look at Salt and take a call. Just ask Virat. He's the best person to take a call. और उसको भी बोला कि तू सॉल्ट को इतना मत देख भाई, to pitch deck and you will assess, because I think he's very good at it. Because once that happens, Devdutt Padikkal is also playing a crucial role, because a lot of people had a lot of apprehension about how will Devdutt Padikkal go in this lineup, batting at 3. But we've discussed, हमने बात भी करी है एक वीडियो में कि कैसे उनके जब वो चले हैं RCB have done well. तो वो भी काफी अच्छे स्पॉट पे. So at this point of time, all I want is घर पे 200 का नहीं है माजरा, 140 150 का होगा या 180 का होगा, वो पकड़ के चलो. आपकी बैटिंग है उतनी कि यू विल कवर अप इन द लास्ट 10. सो आई थिंक दैट recalibration is to be done, especially when you bat first.
Nikhil bhai, one name that we haven't spoken much about, and rightfully so, is Liam Livingstone. एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल वो प्ले करने वाले थे, जैसे आप दोनों ने टीम प्रीव्यू के टाइम बोला था बिफोर द सीजन बिगन. उतना कुछ खास वो चले नहीं अब तक. एक तो आपको उनके पर्सनल परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में क्या लगता है, एंड सेकंडली क्या आपको लगता है कि उनको रिप्लेस करना चाहिए?
ये इट इज अ टफ कॉल, बिकॉज ये बात मैंने जो एमएलए ने जीरोस बोले थे वो ये थे कि बैकअप्स आर नॉट एज पोटेंट एज बिगर नेम्स. तो जैसे अगर भूवी के लिए भी बैकअप आपके अभिनंदन सिंह है और वैसे डोमेस्टिक बैकअप है, लिविंगस्टन का बैकअप जेकब बेथेल. Now I don't know if you are there in that position to take a risk with somebody like a Liam Livingstone who still what to expect. Would nahi chahne, because I feel he hasn't given himself the best time. Had a great knock against Gujarat, but that also had their chances. तो bowling से value है उनके साथ. तो जो काम मैक्सवेल कर रहे हैं पंजाब के लिए, कभी कभी वो काम आपको लिविंगस्टन भी करके देंगे फॉर आरसीबी. तो आई थिंक दैट टेम्पटेशन इज देयर टू पिक हिम, क्योंकि कृणाल पांड्या बहुत अच्छा कर. Had Krunal not been doing well, maybe I would have been lesser, maybe more harsh कि नहीं, get Livingstone out, get Bethel, क्योंकि first IPL it's not easy to crack for an overseas guy. Or Bethel will come in at a very crucial spot. So अभी के लिए still back him for a few more games and then possibly take a call के मुझे निकालना, क्योंकि विकल्प रोमारो शेपर्ड है. तो again the gulf that we spoke about in the previews वो है. तो it is a tricky call. Tim David चल रहे हैं, but you don't want him to bat at 6. So that is where I feel कि थोड़ा मैं lenient हूँ लिविंगस्टन के साथ, because they've also won. शायद ना जीते होते तो शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा हर्ष होता.
सोमेश, अब तक उन्होंने 6 मैचेस खेले and the 7th game is also going to be at home, so that's 3 out of the first 7. नेक्स्ट हाफ में वो 4 घर पे खेलने वाले. There's a lot that's been made of कि यार ये तो घर पे खेल नहीं पा रहे. तो how or what are you expecting from them in the second half of the season?
यार it's actually tricky to point a finger at कि भाई वो घर में क्यों नहीं जीत रहे. लास्ट ईयर तक तो मैं बहुत क्लियर था कि भाई you're not hitting enough boundaries at home. We did a proper deep dive कि you should be hitting more boundaries, especially against spin. But this year that's not really the case. Maybe if they can get a bit lucky with tosses and probably get to chase, maybe that's when they can win it. But yeah, I mean ये देखो, ये थोड़ा सा unfair element IPL का रहेगा कि कुछ venues हैं जहाँ you know आग बंद करके कि भाई कैसा कंडीशन तुमको मिलने वाला है. Everyone knows how's Wankhede gonna play. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि you'll be surprised कि भाई ये तो कुछ और ही आ गया. अभी at this point of time we can be very positive about how Hyderabad is gonna play. But given the fact कि Chinnaswamy predictable नहीं हो रहा है, it's tough. I think RCB would want Chinnaswamy to play like a historic reputation कि batting friendly रहे, because this time they included resources in their bowling ताकि वो उसको cover up कर पाए. तो वो चाहेंगे कि भाई ट्रू विकेट रहे. बैटर्स हमारे ऐसे हैं जो मार के खेलना चाहेंगे टू गिव देम द बेस्ट चांस ऑफ हिटिंग. दे वुड वांट कि वैसा सरफेस उनको मिले. होपफुली दे गेट इट. इफ नॉट, इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू चेस सो दैट यू नो कि भाई ये 160 वाले विकेट है, टारगेट ऑलरेडी मिल गया है, जाके बनाओ.